Start.
Hi, this is Amanda, and welcome to my pretend cooking show. I have the worst giggles, just keep filming, nobody cares. Okay, so in this bowl we have about 2 cups of finely shredded cheese. Maybe you, like me, asked for like a pound and Walmart grocery pickup gave you 5 pounds instead. I'll take what I could get. Okay. So we've got 2 cups of shredded cheese, and then we're going to add about, I don't know, half a cup of mayo. And then we're gonna add some grained pimentos, like 2 of those. Let me see if this is done. No.
Multitasking.
Alexa, cancel timer. Alexa, set a timer for 2 minutes. Okay. So in our bowl, we have.
It's hard to come down.
I'll keep my day job.
Best baker ever.
No. Okay, and this is so simple and yummy. So that's all we have in there. I keep saying so, and then I'm going to put some black pepper. Just depending on how much you like, you would add that much.
Just gives you those vibes.
Okay, so pepper. I just got mayonnaise on my finger. Do they do that in real cooking shows? There's mayonnaise.
COVID-19. I'm
Okay.
gonna lick out of my fingers.
Okay, and then I'm gonna add a little bit, or a lot, like a teaspoon of dill. And maybe I'll add a little more of this. Okay, and then I'm just gonna mix this goodness around. And hopefully we didn't add too much mayo because I don't really want that mayonnaise-y taste. I just wanted to get everything to kind of stick together. So stir, stir, stir. Stir, stir, stir. Okay, and that's it. I think it's like low carb but high yumminess. And then you can eat on a cucumber. Oh, really good. I'm gonna add more pepper. You can add, or have it on a cucumber, or on some reduced fat. Wheat Thins, I would never get reduced fat anything, obviously. But again, Walmart decided to substitute that out, but I will take what I can get. And with the cameraman, the camera woman, would she like to try some?
Sure.
Does she want it on a cracker or on a cucumber?
Cracker.
Okay, cracker. On a reduced fat cracker. I mean, we're gonna get skinny on our little quarantine. There you go, my love. Do a zoom in and you can see what it looks like. Oh, not on the counter.
Delicious.